Neil, and I'm on the toilet. Not really, but it's close. But what I wanted to do is I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of this one here. Not so much a review. You can look at some of the reviews on the Amazon or whatever to see how they go, but I want to show you guys what this newfangled plunger looks like. And I just don't want to use it yet because I don't want to get it dirty, because I'm actually going to give this one away as a gift. So let's check it out and see what it looks like here. So if you look at it here, it comes with the metal pole to start with. And it comes in a cool bag too. It comes in a nice little velvet bag. I guess it's a nice little way to put it away. And it comes with instructions. And then here, this is the new fangled plunger. And so look at this thing here. So it's like, you see, it's this flexible thing. And so the way it works is this screws in, and it screws in a lot and good. And you want to make sure you don't unscrew it while you're putting it in your toilet. But so, okay. So now it's screwed in, and so when the toilet gets a clog in it, you can use this, and you see it's got all these ribs in it and all this stuff, and so it makes a good suction in there. So you'll stick it into the toilet, and then it kind of goes around the curve a little bit, and you see this whole thing curves, so it can kind of curve down and around and whatever like that, and you can get it in there to get the clog out. So it's like this new thing. It should work like so much better and easier and not splash as much as the other ones, but it probably could get gook built up in it, so you want to rinse it off real good afterwards, maybe drop in some bleach or something. But it seems pretty good. It's got a nice rubber feel to it, and it's fairly flexible. I saw there was a couple of people who said that they got it stuck into their toilets, and then it's kind of a lost cause to get it out there. But it seems like, to me, from looking at it here, if you screw it in all the way, you'll probably be good. Probably the people didn't screw it in all the way. They kind of screwed it in a little bit or something like that, and then it broke off in there. But this thing's not breaking off anywhere. It seems really sturdy. You can look at it here about the hole where it goes in. And it seems really strong. It's got some good heft to it. I guess that if you did get stuck in there, you could always get a pliers and pull it out or something too. Or I guess worst case, I don't know why these people said they had to get a new toilet. You could just push it all the way through and it would come out the other end. But whatever. But like that's the concept of it. Let's see what the paperwork has. It looks like it comes with a little hook right there, so you can hook it onto the wall and hang it up to make it look pretty. Weird. Oh, I guess you would just be hanging up the bag. So yeah, if you stuck it out onto the wall, you would just, yeah, that's what it shows. And then you can hang the bag with the plunger up next to it, so you really have a bag hanging there instead of an ugly plunger sitting next to your toilet. So that actually is kind of nice. So it's kind of a better way of doing it. And then the plunger comes with a simple instructions here. You can see right there. That's basically how it works. You stick it into the toilet like a plunger and plunge. And then if you it looks like you have the ability to trim. If the plunger is like too tight in there, you can trim it like it shows on there. So you have a few different options. I guess if you have a small hole toilet, I guess you could do that for it. Kind of weird. But the concept is pretty simple. You just kind of jam it in there and it pushes everything through. So I don't see why it wouldn't work. So it seems good, nice and convenient. It's going to work. I don't see any reason why not to. So I'll let you know if I do need to use it. I'll put something in the comments if there's any problems with it ever. But I expect it's just going to work just fine. Usually don't clog the toilets, but you never know. It happens. So thanks for watching, and now you've gotten to see what this plunger looks like and how it works. Any questions, you can put them in the comments, and I can try to answer them for you as well. But thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you want to pick up one of these newfangled plungers, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Thanks, bye.